Klarna is a Finnish financial technology company that provides online payment solutions for both consumers and merchants. In this video, we'll cover the most important things you need to know about Klarna. In this video, we'll demonstrate the purchase method using Klarna, explain how to obtain a money refund if any problems arise, and we'll also guide you through the process of account verification. Klarna was founded in 2005 in Stockholm, Sweden. It offers various services, such as Pay Later and Pay Now options for consumers when completing their checkout processes. The Klarna Pay Later service allows customers to purchase products and then pay for them at a later time, either within a specified period or via installment plans. The Pay Now option facilitates instant payment through a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, or even direct bank transfers. Klarna collaborates with a wide range of online merchants, empowering these businesses to offer Klarna's payment solutions to their customer base. This partnership benefits both merchants and consumers with a seamless and secure payment experience. Over the years, Klarna has broadened its international service reach, now operating across numerous countries in Europe, North America, and Australia. It has also ventured into new markets and industries, encompassing banking services and financial management tools. It has conducted numerous acquisitions to strengthen its capabilities and broaden its scope. For instance, Klarna acquired Sofort in 2014 to bolster its standing in the German market. Subsequently, in 2017, it took over BillPay, thereby broadening its array of payment solutions. These strategic moves led to substantial valuation and funding, positioning Klarna as one of the preeminent and most highly valued financial technology companies in the industry. In Europe, Klarna's recent valuation exceeded $45 billion in 2021, solidifying its position as one of the most valuable financial technology companies globally. Klarna is consistently innovating with technology to enhance its payment solutions and user experience. It leverages data analytics and machine learning expertise to provide personalized recommendations and streamline checkout processes for consumers. Go to the Klarna website, select your region. You can now browse products. Just click Login, or you can download the application, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. For registration, you'll need to provide your address, phone number, and country of residence. You can register easily. To make a purchase with Klarna, open the Klarna app, shop at any store, and you'll find the Pay with Klarna button. You can add items to your shopping cart and then click the Pay with Klarna button to proceed with the purchase. Select the amount you want to spend, and a virtual card will be created for you to use for the purchase. The virtual card will be permanently deleted after 24 hours if it's not used. To use the card, go back to the store and complete your purchase with it. To verify your Klarna account, navigate to Settings, input your contact details via the bottom right corner, and then choose the Contact Information option. Then, add a new number, and a verification code will be sent to you. From this section, you can conveniently manage all your personal details, such as your email address, among other things. Now, concerning money refunds, simply log into your account. Head over to your profile, navigate to Settings, located in the upper right-hand corner, and then proceed to select Customer Service. Within Klarna, you will discover numerous articles providing comprehensive solutions for a variety of issues you may encounter. The third option is Refunds, which refers to money being returned. Choose Refunds, and you'll discover numerous frequently asked questions concerning money recovery. To initiate a chat and receive assistance with your concern, simply tap on Contact Us at the bottom. They can typically assist you if you provide valid and legitimate information regarding your purchase, as well as the specific reason you desire a money refund. You can easily reach out to them by either sending a detailed message or initiating a live chat conversation for assistance. You can write down why you are contacting them and the reason you want a money refund.